Artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction. It's part of our daily lives. From voice assistants to self-driving cars, AI is revolutionizing how we live, work, and even think. But what's powering this digital brain? In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of neural networks, the heart of modern AI. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's decode the future together. Let's start at the beginning. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to machines that can mimic human intelligence. They can learn, solve problems, recognize patterns, and sometimes even create art or write code. But how do they actually learn? That's where neural networks come in, inspired by the human brain. Imagine a network of tiny decision makers. These are neurons, not biological ones, but digital nodes. They take input, apply weights, activate based on thresholds, and pass information forward. This is the basic unit of a neural network. Say we want a neural network to recognize a handwritten number. It takes pixels as input, passes them through multiple hidden layers, and finally makes a prediction like, this is a 7. Now, not all neural networks are the same. Different problems need different architectures. Feed-forward neural networks, straightforward input-to-output flow, great for basic classification. Convolutional neural networks, CNNs, masters of image recognition. Recurrent neural networks, RNNs, perfect for sequences like text or speech. Transformers, the powerhouse behind ChatGPT and other language models. So where do we actually see this in action? Healthcare, AI detects diseases from X-rays. Finance, predicts market trends and detects fraud. Entertainment, powers your Netflix recommendations. Language, chatbots, translators, and content generators. But it's not all perfect. Neural networks are powerful, but also data-hungry. Sometimes biased, difficult to interpret, like a black box. And let's not forget the massive energy consumption during training. Large models like GPT. What does the future hold? More explainable AI, energy-efficient models, integration with quantum computing, AI helping build better AI, meta-learning. Neural networks are reshaping modern computing. They're the silent architects behind the smart technology all around us. As we move forward, understanding them isn't just for scientists, it's for everyone.